Hello students, welcome to the Mathematics with Suchishmita. Today we will discuss about coordinate geometry. Chapter 26. I will give a complete solution on this chapter. This is a chapter of class 9 of ICSE Shelina Concise Mathematics book. I will do a solution of this chapter. Let's see all the question and answer of this chapter. Okay, so first we have to know that why should we read this chapter? Why should we read the coordinate geometry? First we have to understand. So why do we need coordinate geometry? Let's take some example to understand. So first example is digit device like computer, phone. So here we use the coordinate geometry in computer and phone. To locate the position of our fingerprint, we use the coordinate geometry. Okay. Second example is map, navigation, airplane. We use coordinate geometry to calculate a position of longitude and latitude. These lines are latitude and these lines are longitude. Okay. So when we find a location on earth, here this is a point, we have to locate this point. Okay, so there we use coordinate geometry. Suppose when we tell someone we are in Delhi, it is the location of Delhi. Okay, so here we use the coordinate geometry and we get this point by the longitude and latitude. Now we plot this globe of earth to a graph. Okay, here this is a graph and you see this is x-axis, x dash is a x-axis and this is the horizontal line, and above the x-axis we have the y-axis. This is the vertical line. Okay, so x dash is a horizontal line and this y dash is a vertical line. This is y-axis. Okay, now we have to know coordinate geometry. So what is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is a branch of geometry. We have many topics of geometry, and in these topics we have the basic topics, which is coordinate geometry. So it is a branch of geometry where the position of points on plane is defined with help of an ordered pair. Where the position of point 3, 4 is a point. So we have to calculate this, we have to locate this point on the plane. Okay, but with help of an order pair. This is an order pair. So by order pair points we have to get the position of the point. Okay, now we have to know about quadrant. What is quadrant? Quadrant is coordinate axis where the coordinate axis divide 4 parts on the Cartesian plane. So x o x dash is a coordinate axis and y o y dash is another coordinate axis. So these two coordinate axes divide this Cartesian plane, okay, into 4 parts. The first part is first quadrant, second part is second quadrant, and third part is third quadrant, and fourth part is fourth quadrant. Okay, so now we have to know the Cartesian plane. So what is Cartesian plane? A Cartesian plane consists of two mutually perpendicular lines intersect each other at 0. So suppose this is a Cartesian, this is a plane. Okay, this plane consists of two mutually perpendicular lines. This is horizontal line and this is the vertical line. Okay, so this is horizontal line and this is vertical line. Two mutually perpendicular line, the vertical line is always perpendicular above the horizontal line. So y dash is always perpendicular to x o x dash. Okay, so these two coordinate lines perpendicular to each other and they intersect each other at 0. Okay, so 0 is a point where these two perpendicular lines intersect each other. Here we get the origin 0. Okay, these two coordinate lines perpendicular to each other, here we get origin. Okay, so and Cartesian plane, what is Cartesian plane? A Cartesian plane consists of two mutually perpendicular lines intersect each other at 0. So this is called Cartesian plane. Now we have to read order pair. What is order pair? A pair of two numbers or two elements in specific order. So 3, 6 and let's suppose 3, 6 a order pair and 5, 0 is order pair. So here this is first component and this is the second component. First component is always x value and second component is y value. Okay, so this ordered pair is always stay in specific order. Okay, specific order means first component always will be x value and second component will be y value. Okay, so it will be number for number and it will be for elements. Here we see the element AV is a ordered pair. Okay, so let's take an example 5, 7 and 7, 5. Here we see 5, 7 is a ordered pair and 7, 5 is another ordered pair. But here first component 5, here first component 7. So this ordered pair is not equal. Okay, because of the the corresponding components are not equal. Okay, 5 and 7 are not equal, and 7 and 5 are not equal. So this is not equal order pair. Okay, second example, if two order pair are equal, their corresponding components are always equal. Let's take an example, AB and CD, two order pair, both are equal. Okay, then we will get A is equal to C, their corresponding components are always equal, and B is equal to D, their corresponding component, second components B and D always equal if the two order pair are equal. Okay, we take another example. In order pair, both of its components are equal. Here we take 5 5 0 0 minus 1 minus 1. Here in order pair we see both components are equal. 5 5 both components are equal, 0 0 are equal, minus 1 minus 1, here both components are equal. Okay, let's take another example. Here we will see x4 equals to minus 7y. These two order pair are equal, then their corresponding components are equal. So we get x is equal to minus 7, y is equal to 4. Okay, so now we read the coordinate quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant we will discuss about this, but now we will discuss okay, we will discuss this. So this is first quadrant. In first quadrant, the x value and the y coordinate value always positive. So x and y value always positive. This is the first quadrant. And in second quadrant, the value of x is always negative. In the left hand side of x axis, we will see the value of x is always negative, and here we see in the upward along the upward direction of y axis, the value of y is always positive. Okay, so in the second quadrant we get minus plus point, and in third quadrant we get the left hand side of x axis always negative, and the downward side, this is the downward side of y axis always negative. So in third quadrant, two values of x and corresponding to x and y always negative. In fourth quadrant we get the right hand side of x axis, then we get the value of x always positive, and this is the downward side of y axis, then the value of y is always negative. Okay, so in what we get here, so we get the in first quadrant the x value and y value always positive, and in second quadrant x value negative and y value positive, in third quadrant x value negative and y value negative, and in fourth quadrant x value is always positive and y value is negative. Okay, so let's plot an point on this graph. So we take a point 3 4. Okay, so this is always in first quadrant, the value of x, the value of y is positive. So this point is located on first quadrant. If we take minus 1 2 point, then the value of x positive, the value of x negative, and the value of y positive. So this point is located at second quadrant. Okay, here -3 -1, this here the value of x always negative, because of this is the left hand side of x and this is the downward side of y. So here we will take all point, the -3 -1 is in the third quadrant. All point here we get the value of x negative, the value of y negative, and in fourth quadrant we will see the value of x positive and the value of y negative. Okay, so now we have to discuss dependent and independent variable. Okay, so what is dependent variable and what is independent variable? First we have to know what is linear equation. Suppose we take a equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 and another equation x is equal to 5y minus 8. Okay, so these two equation is linear equation. Why these two equation are linear equation? Because first we have to know what is linear equation. So linear equation where the degree of variables are 1. Here we see the degree of x and the degree of y is 1. Here we see the degree of x 1, the degree of y is 1. Okay, so these two equations are linear equation. So where we get the degree of x and y is 1, these equations are called linear equation. Now we have to know what is dependent variable and what is independent variable. So here we see when we put the value of y, we will get the value of x. So the value of x is dependent upon the value of y. Okay, so x is dependent variable because it depends upon y. When we put the value of y, then we get the value of x. Here we put y is equal to 1, then we get x is equal to -3. When we put 2, then we will get x is equal to 2. So if we put the value of y, then we will get the value of x. Okay, now another example, y is equal to 3x minus 2. Here we see x is independent variable because the value of y is dependent upon the value of x. When we put the value of x, we get the value of y. So y is here dependent variable and x is independent variable. Okay, now we have to know what is abscissa and what is ordinate. So the distance of this 4 from origin along x-axis is called abscissa, and the distance from origin to this along y-axis is ordinate, is called ordinate. So if we take 4, 3 point, here the value of x is abscissa and the value of y coordinate is ordinate. let's start this chapter. Okay, first we have to solve the first question. For each equation given below, name the dependent and independent variable. First question is y is equal to 4 by 3x minus 7. Here, when we put the value of x, we will get the value of y. So, here y is always depend upon the value of x. So, y is dependent variable and x is here independent variable. Also, the second question is x is equal to 5y plus 3 by 2. Here, y is independent variable and x is dependent variable, because when we put the value of y, we will get the value of x. So, x is dependent variable and y is independent variable. Second question. Plot the following points on the same graph. Here, the points are 8, 7, 0, 4, 0, minus 4, 3, minus 2, minus 2, 5, minus 3, 0. Okay. So, now we have to plot the point 8, 7. So, where is 8, 7? Here the value of x is 8 and the value of y, value of ordinate is 7. So, 1, 2, 3 on the x-axis, we take the length from origin 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, here 8, and along y-axis we take 7 from origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, this is the 8, 7 point. Second question 0, 4. So, along y-axis the value of x is always 0. Okay, so we take only the value of y. So 1, 2, 3, 4, here we take the point 0, 4. 0 minus 4, along y-axis the value of x 0, but this is minus 4, so along downward 1, 2, 3, 4, we get the point 0 minus 4. Okay, 3 minus 2, where this point is located 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 2, here minus 2, 5. So, 1, 2, minus 2, 5, along the upward direction of y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here is the point minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and here the on x-axis the value of y is 0. So, here minus 3, 0 point. Okay, on the negative direction of x-axis. Here minus 3, 0. Well, it's complete. Now minus 4, minus 3. Minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. So, here is the minus 4, minus 3 point. Now, the third question. Find the values of x, y if x minus 1, comma, y plus 3 is equal to 4, 4. Okay. So, here both order pair are same, then their corresponding components are same. So, here x minus 1 is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 minus 1 plus 1 here. So, we get 5, and y plus 3 is equal to 4, y equals to 4 plus 3 minus 3. So, 1, we get 1. Second question, 5x minus 3y, comma, y minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4. 5x minus 3y is equal to 4. The corresponding order pair are same. so that their corresponding components are always same. Okay, so 5x minus 3y is equal to 4 and y minus 3x is equal to minus 4. So here we calculate the value of y equals to minus 4 plus 3x. We put the value of y in the equation 1. So we get 5x minus 3, y value minus 4 plus 3x equals to 4. 5x minus minus plus 12 minus 9x is equal to 4. So we get minus 4x equals to 4 minus 12 minus 8, x equals to minus 8 by minus 4, we get 2. From the equation 2 we put the value of x, then we will get the value of y. So y equals to minus 4 plus 3 into 2, value of x is 2, then into 2, 6, minus 4 plus 6 equals to 2. Use graph given alongside to find the coordinate of point satisfying the given condition. 4 question. Question number 4. Here use graph given alongside to find the coordinate of point satisfying the given condition. This condition satisfy the given condition is satisfying when this condition is satisfying, then we get the coordinate of point. Okay, first condition, abscissa is 2, abscissa 2. Okay, abscissa 2. Then ordinate will be anything. Okay, so here abscissa 2, ordinate is 2, we get the point A, A2, 2. Ordinate is 0, ordinate 0 means this point is located on x-axis. Here ordinate is 0, so we get only 5, 0. B, this B point. Okay, here we get the ordinate is 0 and the abscissa is anything, so this B point is 5, 0 point. Okay, third question, ordinate is 3, ordinate 3, where ordinate 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, ordinate 3 and abscissa is anything, so we get the point ordinate 3, ordinate 3, abscissa 6, we get in question number 3 we get 6, 3 point, and ordinate 3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is E663. Okay, E63. Only this point where ordinate 3 and the abscissa is 6. 4 condition, ordinate is minus 4. Where ordinate is minus 4, ordinate minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, this D point. Here ordinate -4 and abscissa 2. So this point D. We take this point D 2 -4. Condition 5. Abscissa is 5. Abscissa 5. Where abscissa 5? Here H point. Abscissa 5 and ordinate is also 5. So 5 5 5 5 H 5 5. We get H 5 5 and also B point. Here we get abscissa 5 and ordinate 0 on x-axis, and also G point. Here abscissa 5 and ordinate is here -3. So we got 3 point B50 G 5 -3 H 5 5. Condition number 6. Abscissa is equation of the ordinate. So that means abscissa equals to ordinate. Here we see abscissa and ordinate equals 5 5 H point. Okay, H 5 5 and also we get A 2 2 where abscissa and ordinate is same, and I 4 4. I 4 4. This is I. Here abscissa 4 and ordinate 4. Ordinate is half of abscissa. Here we see the ordinate is 3 and abscissa is 6. Ordinate is half of abscissa. Here abscissa 6, then its ordinate is half, means 3. Okay, so we get 6 3 E 6 3. Now the question 5. True and false. First question, ordinate of a point is its x coordinate. So in this graph, so we know ordinate is always the value of y and abscissa is the value of x. But here we see ordinate of a point is its x coordinate. Not, this is false. Ordinate is always y coordinate. Okay, so this is false. Origin is in the first quadrant. No, origin is in the intersecting point of x and y axis. So it's never located to the first quadrant, is always located to the intersecting point of x and y axis. So this is false. Third question, y axis is the vertical number line. So y axis is always vertical number line and x axis is the horizontal number line. So this is true. Question number 4. Every point is located in one of the 4 quadrant. Every point is located 4 quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Also the points located, okay, on x axis. Here 3 0 is located on x axis, 0 4 is located on y axis. So every point is located in one of the 4 quadrant, also on the axis, on the x-axis and y-axis. So this is false. Okay. Question number 5. If the ordinate of a point is equal to its abscissa, the point lies either in first quadrant or second quadrant. So here we see ordinate of a point is equals to its abscissa. Ordinate 1, abscissa here 1. So this point is located only in first quadrant. But here -1 and 3, if we take a point -1, 3, here ordinate and abscissa is not equal. Okay, if we take -1, 1, here abscissa and ordinate is not equal. Okay, but if we take a point -3, then the ordinate and the abscissa are equal. It is located in third quadrant, not second quadrant. Okay, so if the ordinate and the abscissa is equal, then they are located on on first quadrant and third quadrant, not second quadrant. This is false. Okay. Say 6. Question 6. Origin 0, 0 lies on x-axis. The origin 0, 0 always lies on x-axis. Okay, always lies on x-axis and also y-axis. So the origin lies on x-axis. This is right. True. The point AB lies on y-axis if v equals to 0. If b equals to 0, then this point is always lies on x-axis. Okay, not y-axis. So this is false. Question number 6. In each of the following, find the coordinate of the point whose abscissa is the solution of the first equation and ordinate is the solution of second equation. Okay, from the equation 1 we get the value of x, the value of abscissa, and from the equation 2 we get the value of ordinate. Okay, so from the first equation we get 3 minus 2x is equal to 7, minus 2x equals to 7 minus 3. So 4x equals to 4 by minus 2, minus 2. Okay, from this equation second, 2y plus 1 equals to 10 minus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2y. 2y minus 2 here, 5 by 2y plus, and 10 equals to plus 1 here, minus 1. So now we have to solve 2, 4 plus 5, 9y by 2 equals to 9. Y equals to 9 by 9 into 2. So this point is minus 2, 2. Okay. Second equation. 2a by 3 minus 1 equals to a by 2. And this is the first equation. And 15 minus 4b by 7 equals to 2b minus 1 by 3. This is the second equation. We take from the equation 1, 2a minus 3 by 1 equals to a by 2. 2a minus 3 here, a by 2 is represent minus a by 2 equals to minus 1 here, plus 1. So the LCM of 3 and 2, 6. 3 into 2, 2 into 2, 4a minus 2, 3. Okay, 3a equals to 1. So a equals to 6. From the equation 2, 15 minus 4b by 7 equals to 2b minus 1 by 3. So 15 into 3, 45 minus 4 into 3, 12b equals to 7 into 2, 4b minus 7. 45 here, minus 7 plus 7, 52, and 14b plus 12b, so 26b. b equals to 52 by 26. So 52 is divided by 26, we get 2. So the point is 6, 2. Third equation. Okay, 5x minus 5 minus x equals to 1 by 2, 3 minus 6. First equation. Second equation, 4 minus 3y equals to 4 plus y by 3. Second equation. From the equation 1, we calculate 5x minus 5 minus 6 equals to 1 by 2, 3 minus 6. 5x minus 5 minus plus x equals to half of 3 minus 6. So 5 into 2, we multiply 5 into 2, 10x, 5 into 2, 10 plus 2x equals to 3 minus 6. 10 plus 2, 12x minus 10 equals to 3 minus 6. 12x minus x plus x equals to 3 minus 10 plus 10 here. So 13. X equals to 1. From the equation 2, 4 minus 3y equals to 4 plus y by 3. 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 3, 9y equals to 4 plus y. Minus 9y, here plus y minus y. Minus 10y, here 4 plus 12 minus 12 minus 8. Y equals to minus 8 divided by minus 10. Minus minus cut, and here 2, 4, 2, 5. 4 by 5. So this point is 1, 4 by 5. Okay. Question number 7. In each of the following, the coordinate of the three vertices of a rectangle ABCD are given. By plotting the given points, find in each case the coordinate of the fourth vertex. Here in question 1, we have A20, B80, C84, 3 points, and we have to calculate the fourth vertex, the coordinate of the fourth vertex. So first we have to plot a graph x, O, x dash, and y, O, y dash. Okay. So we have to plot the point A. A, here 1, 2, 2 on x axis. The value of y is always 0, so it is the point A. B point 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B 8, 0. Here is the point. C 8, 4. Here the value of x is 8, and the value 1, 2, 3, 4, the value of y is 4. So this point is C84. This is the point. And so what will be the value of the vertex D? So here the value of x 1, 2, the value of abscissa 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ordinate value is 4. So here the coordinate of the fourth vertex D is 2, 4. Okay. D 2, 4. Here the second equation, A 4, 2, B minus 2, 2, D 4 minus 2. We have to plot the graph. Here we see, now we have to plot the point A. A 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. This is the point 4, 2, A point, and B 1, 2, 1 minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 2, the abscissa is minus 2 and ordinate 1, 2, 2. This point is B minus 2, 2. D 4 minus 2. So where is located the point D? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2, 1, 2. D 4 minus 2. So now we have to calculate the vertex, the coordinate of the vertex C. So here we see the value of abscissa 1, 2 minus 2 and the value of ordinate 1, 2 minus 2. So this point is minus 2 minus 2. Okay, C point is minus 2 minus 2. Question number 3, A minus 4 minus 6, C 6 0, D minus 4 0. Now we have to plot the graph. Now we have to plot the point A minus 4 minus 6, abscissa minus 4 1 2 3 4 minus 4, and ordinate minus 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here is the point A minus 4 minus 6. C 6 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 0. Point is here on x-axis. On x-axis we get the ordinate is 0 and the abscissa is 6. So this point is 6 0. Now minus 4 0, D, the point D, minus 4 1 2 3 4, abscissa minus 4, and on x-axis the value of ordinate is 0. So this point is minus 4 0, D point. Okay, now we have to calculate the value of the point B. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is the right hand side of x-axis. Then the value of x, the value of abscissa is positive 6, and the value of y is negative 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 6. So we get the point V 6 minus 6. Okay, question number 4, B 10 4, C 0 4, D 0 minus 2. 10 4. Now we have to locate the point B 10 4. X value 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10, and 1 2 3 4, value of y 4. So B point is 10 4. C 0 4, value of x 0 and the value of y 4. So this point will be located on y axis. So this point is here 0 4. D 0 minus 2. Here 1 2, D 0 minus 2. This point is located on y axis, the negative side of y axis. Okay, so this is 0 minus 2. Now we have to calculate the coordinate of the point A. So here the value of x is 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10, and 1 2, value of y minus 2. Okay, so this point is the value of the coordinate of the point A is 10 minus 2. Now the question 8, A minus 2 2, B 8 2, C 4 minus 4 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. By plotting the given points on a graph paper, find the coordinate of fourth vertex D. Also from the same graph, state coordinate of the middle points of sides AB and CD. Okay, this is the question. Now we have to solve this question. A minus 2. First we have to plot a graph here. We will see the graph. So this is x o x dash and this is y o y dash. Now we have to plot A minus 2 2. Here A minus 2 1 2 and 1 2 minus 2 2. This is the point A minus 2 2, and B 8 2. So here is 8 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 2 1 2 1 2. So this is the point 82, B point 82. Here it is. Okay. And C point 4 minus 4. C point 1 2 3 4, value of x 4 and value of y 1 2 3 4, y minus 4. So this point is C is here 4 minus 4. Now we have to calculate the coordinate of the point D. So D point will be, so here we see, here the distance from origin is 2. Okay, the value of x2. Okay, so distance from origin is 2, and here on the right, along the right side, we see from origin the distance from origin to this point. Here the length is 8. Okay, and here the length is 2. So the total length of AB is 10. Okay, so here we see a parallelogram. Okay, we know in parallelogram two opposite sides are same. This side are same, this side and this side are same. Okay, so we get the length of AB is 10, and so we also get the length of CD is 10. The opposite sides are same, so if the length of AB is 10, the length of CD is always 10. Okay, so here the length of this point from the vertical line is 4, the value of x4, so this length is 4, and here we need the length from the vertical line to this point is 6. Then we get 4 plus 6 equals to 10, because here the length of AB is 10. So we need the length of CD is 10. Here the length is 4, so we need in another side the length from the vertical line to this point is 6. Then we get the total length of CD is 10. Okay, so this point in third quadrant, the value of x 6 minus 6 in third quadrant, we always get the value of x minus, so this is minus 6, and if we take 1 2 3 4, the value of ordinate is in third quadrant minus 4. Okay, so the coordinate of fourth vertex D minus 6 minus 4. Now we have to prove also from the same graph state coordinate of the middle points of side AB and CD. So here we have to prove the coordinate of the middle point of AB and the coordinate of the middle point of CD. Okay, so how to calculate the middle point of a line? The middle point of AD is, if we take the point E, how to calculate the middle point of the line AD? So first we have to sum the x value minus 2 plus 8 by 2. Then we add the value of y 2 and 2 by 2. Okay, so we get 6 by 2 and 4 by 2. So this is 3, this is 2. So 3 2 is located 1 2 3 and 1 2 here. 3 2 is here. This is the middle point of the line AB. Now we have to calculate the middle point of CD. Here same, we have to add minus 6 plus 4. Okay, minus 6 plus 4 by 2 and minus 4 by 2. So this is minus 2 by 2. This is minus 4 minus 8 by 2. So this is minus 1 minus 4. So this point is minus 1 and 1 2 3 4 minus 1 and minus 4. This is the A point. This is the middle point of the line CD. Okay. Now the question number 9. Here A minus 2 4, C 4 10, D minus 2 10 are the vertices of a square ABCD. Use the graphical method to find the coordinates of the fourth vertex B. Also find the coordinate of the middle point of BC, the coordinate of the middle point of CD, the coordinate of the point of intersection of the diagonals of the square ABCD. So we have to plot this graph XO X dash and YO Y dash. Okay, Y dash. Now we have to plot the point A, minus 2 4, minus 2 1 2, 4 1 2 3 4. Here is the A point, A minus 2 4, C point 4 10, 1 2 3 4 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this point is here, C point 4 10, and D minus 2 10, minus 2 1 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This point is here, minus 2 10. Now we have to calculate the point B. So here 1 2 3 4, point the value of x always 4. Okay, and the value of y 1 2 3 4, the value of y is here 4, so it will be 4. So the value of B, the coordinate of the point B is 4 4. Okay, vertex B 4 4. Now we have to calculate the middle point of BC. BC, this is the line BC. We have to calculate the middle point of BC. So we already learned how to calculate the middle point of BC. So 4 plus 4 by 2, 10 plus 4 by 2. Okay, so 8 by 2 4 and 10 plus 4 14 by 2 7. The middle point of CD. So also we learn how to calculate the middle point of CD. So 4 minus 2 by 2, 10 plus 10 by 2. So we get 2 by 2 1 and 10 plus 10 20 by 2 10. Third question, the coordinate of the point of intersection of the diagonal of the square ABCD. So we get a square ABCD. Here the intersection of the two diagonal AC and BD. Here we get two diagonal. What is the value of the intersection of these diagonals? So we know the middle point, how to calculate the middle point of a line. So here BD is the line. We have to calculate the middle point of BD. 4 minus 2 by 2 and 10 plus 4 by 2. 4 minus 2 by 2 and 10 plus 4 by 2, so 2 by 2 1, and 10 plus 4 14 by 2 7. Okay, so this point is 1 7. Same, if we calculate the middle point of AC, then we get the 1 7 point. Okay, and here this is the intersecting point of the diagonal, so the middle point of BD and the middle point of AC is same, so this is the point 1 7. Okay, question number 10. By plotting the following points on the same graph paper, check whether they are collinear or not. So first we have to know what is collinear. If the points lie on the same lines, okay, if these points or the points lie on the same lines, then these points are collinear. Suppose this is a line the point 1 2 and 3 4. Okay, this point this point lie on the same line, so these 2 points are collinear. Okay, if the points lie on the same line, these points are collinear. So now we have to plot the graph, and we have to plot these points on this graph. Okay, 3 5 1 2 3 and 5 1 2 3 4 5. This point is here 3 5 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 and 0 minus 1, here minus 1 0 minus 1. So we draw this line. Okay, so these points lie on the same line, so these points are collinear. Okay, second question, minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 1 minus 2 1. First 1 2 and minus 1 here, this point minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 1 2 3 4. Here this point is here, and minus 4 1 1 2 3 4, here 1. So this point is here. Now we draw the line, this line. Okay, so these 3 points are lying on same line, so these points are collinear. Okay, question number 11. Plot the points A 5 minus 7. From the point A, draw AM perpendicular to x-axis and AN perpendicular to y-axis. Write coordinates of points M and N. First we have to plot the points A 5 7 minus 7. So A 5 minus 7 1 2 3 4 5 minus 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this point is A 5 minus 7. So now we have to draw AM, which is perpendicular to x-axis. This is the line which is perpendicular to x-axis. This is the line AM. So 1 2 3 4 5 on y-axis, this point is 5 0. Okay, now we draw the line, perpendicular line AN. So here this is AN, and here on y-axis the value of x is 0 and the value of y 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 downward the along the y-axis. So this is minus 7. So this point is 0 minus 7. So we get two lines AM and AN. Both are perpendicular lines. Question number 12. In square ABCD A34 B minus 24 C minus 2 minus 1. By plotting these points on a graph paper, find the coordinate of vertex D. Also find the area of square. In square ABCD A34 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, this point is no A34. B minus 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 3 4, this point is minus 2 4. And C minus 2 minus 1 1 2, this is 1 minus 2 minus 1. By plotting these points on a graph paper, find the coordinate of vertex D. So what will be the value of vertex D? D here 1 2 3 and this is minus 1. So this point will be 3 minus 1. Okay. Also find the area of square. Okay. We know we know every side. Okay. Every side of square is same. Okay. So here first we have to know the length of AB. Here this side 1 2 3 and this side 1 2 3. The total length of AB will be 6. So in square all the sides are same. So this is 6, this is also 6, this is also 6. So now we have to calculate the area of the square. The area of the square equals to side square, length square. So this is 6 square, 36 square unit. Okay. So the area of the square is 36 square unit. Question number 13. In a rectangle OABC, point O is origin, OA 10 units, along x-axis AB 8 units. Find the coordinate of vertex ABC. Now we have to draw a rectangle OABC. This is O and the point O is origin, OA 10 unit. So from origin, the distance of the point from origin is 10 unit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Length is here 10. So this point is 10 0. And along x-axis AB 8 unit. Okay. Along x-axis OA 10 unit. 10, it is 10 0 point. And AB 8 unit. Okay. So this length is 10 unit. This length is 8 unit. So here the value of x 10 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here the length from origin is 8. So this point will be on y-axis is 0 8. Okay. So here the value of ordinate is 8. So this point will be 10 8. Okay.